Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer Solo Stereo Bluetooth earphones. This particular box comes with a transparent top so you can see what the charging case and the earphones are supposed to look like. And we will obviously give you a closer look, but first let's take a look at the box and see what other information we can gather. So this particular set of Bluetooth earphones support Bluetooth 5.0 and has an operation range of 15 meters. It comes with a 380 mAh charging case and charging time is approximately 2 hours and standby time is 120 hours approximately. That's quite a bit. Now let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box containing the Hammer Solo Stereo Bluetooth earphones. This is a packet of extra silicone tips. I should give you a closer look. Let me just open this packet. There you go. There's some extra silicone tips. These are the large variants and the small variants. There you go. We also have a document. This is basically the user manual for this particular set of earphones. You should read it at least once. And there is a micro USB charging cable for this particular earphones. There you are. This is the charging cable for this particular device. And this is what the Hammer Solo Stereo Bluetooth earphones look like. And you will notice it's a very sleek charging case. And it does not come with a cover. As you can see, this is an open case, and you can also see the earphones inside. It comes with a matte black finish. It's very light and it's also very compact. There you can see the micro USB charging port along with two LED indicators. I'm going to pull out the earbuds. That's one. And this is number two. Notice the magnetic charging pins inside. So the idea is that these should snap back in place like so. Now let's take a look at the earbuds or the earphones. There you go. These are angular nozzles and they have this half in-ear design. These are the buttons that you use to change tracks or receive and cancel calls, etc. So that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Hammer Solo Stereo Bluetooth earphones. Thank you for watching.